YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy SrtTingz back with another video, back with another banger, man. We're going up all 2020. As you see, we in the garage. As you see, man, you see my outfit, man. It's cold, so I put this on. I ain't feel like putting on other clothes and getting nothing dirty, whatever. But today, man, we doing halos, demon eyes, and grill lights on the Scatpack, man. Let's get to the video.
Tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speed. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get three, so ain't no can take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, let down the back seat. Hit a burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get T. Go. Let's race what you look at my tail lights.
Today, I'm gonna show y'all every single step, what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? So first, you gotta take this off. Gotta remove these, so you can get to these rivets right there. They just pop up. You can sit it right there. You can sit it wherever you want to, man. Pop all these off. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 there, 5 there. These look a little different. Like you ain't gotta pop them off. Like they ain't to get connected. You might not have to touch them. Yeah, you don't gotta touch these two right here. So these 3, and these 3. And then you got some, let me show y'all behind the wheel, man. You got these behind, I don't know if everybody's the same. You got them behind the wheel right there. These ones, I had to poke those out, man. Them ones, ain't like the regular ones. So you gotta stick some in the middle and then poke it out. So I had a hammer. I already poked them out. Got 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. I'm finna take these out. I'm gonna show y'all the other bolts you gotta undo. Oh, matter of fact, since I'm already here, let me show y'all. The bolt, matter of fact, the bolt is right here. Hold on. All right, man, once you pop these rivets off, you see that bolt right there. You got the bolt right here, and then you gotta pull this back some more, and it's a bolt further off in there. I'm gonna show y'all. All right, man, after y'all pull this back, you go inside, you see that bolt up there? Right up there, you gotta undo that one. I'm gonna try to get the focus for you. Well, it ain't focusing, but you see, man, that one bolt right there. There you go, take that out. All right, we got the bump off, man. Finna get to it. Got the grill lights right there. The halos in the house, we got the headlight tab out here. We finna take them in there, take these apart, break them up, and get the halos and demon eyes put in. We'll be back. Let's y'all see what we got. I got these clamps. I got these from Ace Hardware. These are like $20. Here go all my lights. There go my headlight. Put the oven on 270. And we're gonna bake it for 12
minutes.
Talk to him, 12 minutes.
12 minutes, man. All you need is 12 minutes. Cause this little bake hot in the bit.
Man, here, let's show them your headlights real quick. Let's see this, man. We just did his lights. What was it, last week?
Yeah, last week.
Last week we did his, man. Let y'all check it out. Man, we want to see some flow. We don't want to see no regular color change. Yeah, I see it. We did that last week. What y'all think about that, man? SRT8 Chrysler. What's this, 2013? Yeah, 2013 SRT8 Chrysler. We did his headlights last week. Finna do mine today. Y'all gotta look at it. SRT rims on there. So y'all know I ain't playing, man. This is real SRT. Y'all see the steering wheel. Y'all see. He ain't got no gas probably, but.
I got half a tank in this bitch.
Show y'all the badge. He only got 1 badge on his car. I'm trying to tell him to put the 392 badges on the side. What y'all think about that? If he should put 392 badges on the side, man, let me know in the comment box. Cause it is 392. So I'm trying to tell him to put the badge right there. Cause if you don't know what it is, you won't know what it is. You feel what I'm saying? It look like a regular Chrysler.
I be busting people ass cause they think they're a little V6 or something. I be on their ass, man. I'm telling you, man. I be beating the shot of Scatpack's all that. Don't come for me, man.
All right, let's get back to my headlights, man. Come on. But y'all see it. We did hit last week. We finna do mine today. I got demon eyes though. He ain't want to do demon eyes.
Man, I was thinking about it, man, but I already had paid $400 because I got the fog lights. But you see, I had a little miss. You know,
I ain't even showing.
Man, I fucked my bump up on the freeway, driving, eating cane, and hit something in the fucking freeway. So now I gotta pay my body man gonna charge me $1,200 to fix everything.
So you about to fix all that, then gonna go back in.
Then we gonna go back in there and put the fog lights on.
Yeah.
Look like we ain't even gotta take them dishes out.
Nah, them waterproof, you just put them on the front. Sucker for RT, like, comment, subscribe. See you in a minute. All right, man, put the light off in there. 270, 12 minutes?
12 minutes.
270, man. We're gonna sit on the pan we got right there. Close the thing up. And we wait. All right, I got the headlight apart. You're gonna need a T10 torque. So you remove these top four right here. Come here, let them see what I'm talking about. The T10 to get them four off the top. Let me go and take these out here.
Now we had to leave this motherfucker in here about a little longer than we expected. So we did not want to come off. But they ain't even put no ceiling on there, look. Look at that, no ceiling. So when we reseal it, we're gonna put ceiling everywhere.
Alright, y'all. So this where I came into trouble. Every time I try to look up Challenger Demon Eye, nobody ever shows you how to do it. But I guess that's why they never show you, because ain't no proper way to do it. So what I did is you see right there, I screwed it in on this one. And then I got his Alright, let me show you how I did it, man. Nobody ever shows you how to do the Demon Eye. So I went ahead and figured out my own way. I zip tied it. And for the people who say it's plastic, it's gonna melt. The Demon Eye's plastic. The headlight's plastic. A lot of plastic is plastic. So all things are gonna melt. If it do, we'll run into that problem when we had that problem. But right now, this is how I got it on there. Because the holes that got set, they don't fit. They don't line up, so they ain't working that way. So I just zip tied it right there. And I'm gonna let y'all see how I show. All right, here we go with the color flow, man. Y'all see it. Demon Eye, color flow on there. All the wire right there. I had the hooks to my battery to test it out before I closed it up. But we ready, man. I'm about to get it back in the car. Let y'all see it on the car. About the bottom grill lights, because I got the underglows, and they kind of show through. Let me flip through the colors real quick. What color? I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna change that red. Right now we're green and red right there. You see how the underglows kind of come through the grill anyway. So I just skipped over the bottom grill and left it like that. Hey man, as y'all see, we done with the wheel, man. If you like what you see, let me know. Hop in the comment section, let me know, man. Like I say, we're going about 2020. I got a lot of things coming for the car, man. I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm done with lights. That was my last thing I'm doing for lights, man. I got underglows, grill lights, Demon Eyes, color change, Flow Series, halos. Then I got a starless ceiling in the car. That's all I'm doing for the lights. After that, man, you know, not much next I can do, but I'm gonna make sure what I do, you gonna know. All right, so man, hey, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hey, Bobby, let me see your lights, man. Tom, let me know what y'all think about that, man. We got the Flow Series, color change, underglows, grill lights, Demon Eyes, halo. So yeah, my boy, we did his last week. Bam! What y'all think about his, man? We blacked out, 392 boys. Hey, pop the hood, man. They think it's a game. They think it's a game, man. I don't think they think it's a V6. Let them see. What y'all thinking, man? Should he put some underglows on his car? He about to get some new rims on there. Should he put underglows? What y'all think? Pop the hood for you real quick. Let y'all see. See what he's working with. Y'all see it's a 6.4 Hemi. Not a 6.1. Not a 6.2. 6.4, man. Same thing I got. The only difference is transmission, right?
5 speed, man.
5 speed.
I'm probably fit a 10 speed in this bitch, boy. Everything can fit is possible.
If you put a 10 speed in there, it's over for you. But the GT, the 5.0 Mustangs, and the SS is over for y'all once you can put that 10 speed in there. Because that torque is going to get you. And then that 10 speed is going to keep them ahead of you. But y'all see it, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going about 2020. I wonder what's next for Sucker Free RT, man. Subscribe to find out.
tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speak. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get 3, so ain't no can take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up, triple D, let down the back seat. Hit a burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get deep. Go. Roof. Let's race what? Look at my tail lights.